In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type X-bar in Google Docs. Whether you're a student working on statistical data or a professional needing to emphasize a particular variable, knowing how to add the X-bar symbol to your document is an essential skill. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this on Google Docs in just a few simple steps. First, you want to open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. This will direct you to the Google Docs website, where you can start a new document or open an existing one to work with. Once you have the search results, click on the link for Google Docs. This will take you to the main dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials, your username and password, and hit Enter to access your documents. Make sure you're using a Google account that has the necessary permissions to access and edit documents. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top menu option in the document window. Here, you should see a menu titled Insert. Go ahead and click on Insert. This will drop down a menu with various options for inserting different items and elements into your document. Scroll through the options until you find the Equation option. You'll first need to select Symbols, and then choose Equation. This will open an equation box at your current cursor location within the Google Doc. It's within this box that you'll be typing in your X-bar symbol. In the equation box, type the command /overline using your keyboard. This particular command is special in that it tells Google Docs to place a bar over any character or set of characters that follow it. Once you've typed /overline, the next step is crucial. Press the spacebar. When you press the spacebar, Google Docs recognizes the command and activates it, preparing the system to place a line over whatever comes after it. Now, it's time to enter the variable over which you want the line, in this case, the letter X. Go ahead and type X right after the /overline command. Remember, the overline command will apply to the very next character or string of characters, so make sure to type it immediately after. After typing X, press the spacebar again. This action finalizes the command. Now you should see the X-bar symbol right there in your document. The line is neatly positioned over the X, achieving that precise mathematical representation you're aiming for. And there you have it. You've successfully typed an X-bar in Google Docs, ready to be utilized in your reports, assignments, or presentations, creating a dynamic and visually correct mathematical expression. Happy editing!